Hello YouTube, this is now from DaretoBeCreative, and I'm here with a little tiny haul from the Dollar Tree. I just picked up a little bit of bling, which is something they've had plenty before, and these are the heart-shaped bling in clear, purple, pink, and red. And then I got some of the little stickers, the puffy stickers. I like these glitter and dimensional stickers. I like to use these in my zines, and they're great for iCads and or ICs, and iCads the same thing, ATCs as well, any type of mixed media stuff. But it doesn't have to be, but you can also use these just on cards and 3x3s or 4x4s. So I got both of these sets. And then the last thing I got were these little teeny, but these mirror mosaic stickers, and they come in different colors and a nice weight. The green, the blue, and the fuchsia, and the clear. These can be used as like rhinestones as well, like bling. But you can also use these in more DIY home and decorum projects as well. We actually want to decorate. You could decorate a frame. You can do a lot of different stuff, tables, trays, with your mosaics, and actually create a nice reflective look. So I like the fact that adhesive background as well. But you can do quite a lot of different designs, especially like I said for your DIYs with the mosaic, and you can mix them up as well too to make a different design. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye.